y'all? I am back with another video for you, and today I have this requested look. I told someone requested it, and I said I would do it, and I never got around to it because I've been so sick I can't film videos very much. But yeah, I finally got around to it, and it's a simple like 10-20 minute look that is like light coverage, medium coverage, and I love doing it for a quick look and just not wearing a lot on my face. But yeah, it's definitely a very simple look and very helpful for people with acne scars and acne like me, and covering your acne up. So definitely check this video out if you guys want to know how to do this and get a simple light coverage, medium coverage look for acne scars. But yeah, let's just get on with the video. Okay, to start off this look, I won't be using any foundation, which is what I love about this look. It's super simple, very light coverage, and will cover up all my acne scars. And as you can see, my acne scars aren't as bad as what they used to be. I'm clearing up, I'm not breaking out as much because my skincare routine is really working, and just how I'm treating my skin. I'm wearing less makeup and everything, and this routine is really good for that because I'm not caking my face as much. And as you can see, I have dark circles, which gets covered up in this routine as well. So this is definitely a look that is easy to go for and very simple and very fast. And if I'm like breathy, I literally can't breathe, which brings me to this point. I will probably start doing YouTube full time because I have to quit my job for this reason. I've been really sick. As I've said, I think in multiple videos, I've just been really sick and it's just not getting better, and I can't work full-time, do YouTube, try to build a business, go to all my doctor's appointments. Like, I go to like 7 doctors, and it just doesn't work with being a full-time manager or anything. So I had to eliminate that. At this moment I haven't told them, but I have to sometime today. But yeah, that's kind of an update for you guys. I want to talk more and sit down with you guys and talk more about it, but I don't have time to talk about it today because I have to get to class in like an hour. So I'm going to do this makeup routine. I wanted to film this today. I didn't know if I would have time, but now I do. So I'm just going to start this. I have like 30 minutes. So I have 30 minutes to complete this look. So I'm definitely going to show you guys. It is 3:51. And I'm going to show you guys how long it takes to do this routine. At the end, I'll show you guys how long it actually takes me. I'm going to put music now. My favorite music to listen to is country, so list down below any of the musics you like, and I'll check them out. But if you have any country music, let me know down below. So 3:52 is the time. So what I like to start out by cleansing my face is this Egg White Perfect Pore Cleansing Water. And to cleanse my face, I just like to use these cotton pads, and then I also use this Mario Badescu aloe vera toner. I'm almost out. I really like this stuff. And then to moisturize, I use this Origins Ginseng Energizing Boosting Gel Moisturizer, and then the Origins Ginseng Eye Cream. And for brows, I like to use this Anastasia Brow Wiz and Taupe.
I told you how I felt right before you left. Been an addict for a while, like a cigarette. I know that I should quit, but I'm not ready yet. Oh no, and it just ain't fair.
I use the It Cosmetic Essential Concealer Brush for carving out my eyebrows.
My hands all over your body. Ooh, and if the stars don't shine, yeah, and if the moon fell down tonight, I would be there no matter what. I wanna be the one to make you fall in love, make you fall in love, make you fall in love.
And then what to cover up my scars and everything, I'm just using the Tarte Shape Tape, and this is in the shade Fair Neutral. And then I'm just using my Beauty Blender. It's actually not going to be damp. I love it without the damp for this look just because it gives me more full coverage and everything. And then what I'm going to use to set it is this. This is the Physicians Formula Mineral Wear Talc-Free Powder. This It Cosmetics powder brush, and this is 211. And then for under eyes, I like to use this just like double-ended brush. I always use this. I need to clean my brushes. And then if I need to, sometimes I will use the Laura Mercier translucent powder. And then to bronze my face, I use the Bronze Booster by Physicians Formula. This Morphe fluffy brush for my bronzer. And then if I feel like I want to contour my face, I do use the Park Avenue Princess palette. And I'll use Angle and Princess Cut in here, and just use the It Cosmetics Velvet Luxe Soft Focus Sculpting Brush. And it looks like that. And then I just use this probably Emily's makeup brush, and it's a little dome brush to contour my nose. And I still use this Park Avenue Princess palette and use all the bronzing and contour shades in it. And I like to just use that in my eyes. So for the transition color, I just use this Morphe little fluffy brush. It's a smaller fluffy brush. And then for my outer corners, I use the ColourPop little domed flat brush, and it's kind of fluffy. And then for my under eyes, I like to use this Shadow Smudger by Beauty Strokes. It just looks like that. For blush, I like to use the Tarte blush, and this is in Party with 3 A's. It literally has 3 A's. And then for the brush, I use the Flawless Blush brush by It Cosmetics, and it's just angled. And then my highlight always has like leftovers. If it's not, I'm just using this rose gold one by BH Cosmetics, and it's the number 4. It just looks like that. It's a dome brush. But if there's like not enough left over on that, I like to use my Kylie highlight palette, and this is, or highlighter. This is in French Vanilla. I really love using that. It's like almost natural, but not natural. To set them in place, I just use this Incense Lash and Brow Clear Gel. Almost out and gross looking, so. And then for mascara, I love the L'Oreal Voluminous Carbon Black mascara. Just looks like this. Sorry, I put it too close to the camera. And then for eyeliner, I use the CoverGirl Perfect Point eyeliner, and this is in Black Onyx 200. It just looks like this and has that. This is like the best mascara, eyeliner ever. Almost like there's no sense between us. So I need to know, could you carry me back into your heart again? Okay, so I'm completed with my makeup look, and it is, my phone doesn't want to focus. It is 4:10, so that took me maybe 20 minutes, not that long. Just speeding through it. As you get used to doing it, you'll go faster and faster and faster. That's just my experience. But yeah, I am now going to just set my face with some Urban Decay setting spray. That's not the right one. That's still not the right one. So just the Urban Decay setting spray. sometimes I like to go in more with my highlight and just... My face is wet now. So that is the completed look. Very simple, nothing to it. Very medium to light coverage. More of a medium coverage, like you can still see a little bit, but it's like not visible. I think the camera doesn't show much, but yeah, I really like it. So you're not putting so much product on your face, but you still have coverage at the same time, which makes it really good. So yeah, let me know if you guys try this look. Sorry my hair is just like ew right now, but it's just kind of a hot day. I haven't worn makeup all day until this moment, so yeah, definitely let me know if you guys try this look out, if it's simple for you guys as well. You obviously don't have to... Oh, I have a cut. I forgot I had a cut. My cat scratched me. Anyways, you definitely don't have to do as many steps as I did, but this is kind of what I do. I can do less, I can do more. It just really depends on the day. I just wanted to show you all of it at once for this look, but definitely let me know if you guys try it, and like tweet me, tag me on Instagram, and I would love to see you guys trying it out. I would love to know you guys' comments about this look as well, how easy it was for you guys. So yeah, that is all I have for you guys today. So I forgot to mention about my lips. I just usually pair it with some chapstick, a tinted moisturizer, or anything like that. I like to use the Sugar Rose tinted lip treatment, and it's just a red color. It's really neutral, you don't see it. And I think it just fits in with the look of just like no makeup or light coverage makeup look, because like I don't want to have like a bold lip, but it's up to you what you want to wear with it, just because the eyes are so neutral that you can pair any lip color with this look, which is really nice. Sometimes having a really bold lip with a simple makeup look or simple eye look is really good to have. So really it's up to you what you want to wear with this, but I love just doing a tinted chapstick with this look. I also like the tan color. I don't know what it's really called by Baby Lips. It's like a brown color. My sister's kind of obsessed with that. Whenever I have it, she like puts it on. But it's a really good look or good color with that too. So yeah, it's really up to you guys what you want to wear with this. But yeah, I just use a chapstick or a tinted moisturizer. I keep saying tinted moisturizer. I mean like a tinted lip treatment. Tinted moisturizer sounded better for me apparently. My brain is not here anymore. Like, I've been forgetting everything. Just part of my issue going on. But yeah, this is just kind of what it looks like if you guys want to know. Oh, my camera. This looks like this.
I can say is the stress hurts. Things are supposed to get better. I just need to put myself first. I'm always trying my hardest not to pick myself apart. This energy's killing my vibes now. Sometimes I just want to drown out.
Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this one. Give it a big thumbs up so other people can find me as well. Comment down below anything you'd like me to do next. Also follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter, and my Facebook page. They'll be linked down below. Also hit the bell to be notified when I upload, which is every Wednesday and pretty much every Saturday as well. And I hope to see y'all in my next video. Bye.
I've patrolled these empty thoughts before, but I'm fixed now on the cure. I'm holding on to the last rock on the mountaintop, and I'm begging for your love. Do you remember the type of folk we used to be, and the simple souls we used to see?